How to change the default file save location on Microsoft PowerPoint. I'm opening PowerPoint from the Start menu on Windows. Once the Start screen appears, click File in the top left corner. The File tab opens a screen with a left-hand menu, not the regular ribbon. The list includes Info, New, Open, and Options. At the bottom of that menu is Options. Click Options. A dialog box opens with a list of settings on the left. Click Save in that left list. The panel on the right changes to Saving Settings. If your version has a checkbox labeled Save to Computer by default, tick it. I always tick this because if it's off and you're signed into a Microsoft account, PowerPoint picks OneDrive instead of your own computer. You don't see the checkbox? Skip it, the next field controls the folder either way. Now find the field labeled Default Local File Location. It's right under that checkbox. This is the field that decides where new decks go when you first press Save. It does not use the recent files list, and it does not use whatever folder you had open last time. I don't type a long path into that field. One wrong backslash and PowerPoint will complain that the path is invalid. I click the Browse button next to the field. A folder picker opens showing your user folders. I'll pick Documents on the left, then click New Folder. I'll type Work Presentations and press Enter. That creates the folder while we're here, so I don't have to go open File Explorer separately. Select the new folder and click OK. The field now shows the full path to Work Presentations. That's the folder PowerPoint will use from now on. One thing people assume is that this moves old files. It doesn't. Files you already saved somewhere else stay right where they are. Click OK at the bottom right of the PowerPoint Options window. The window closes and the change takes effect immediately. There is no separate Apply button to mess with. Let's confirm it actually took. Click File, then Save As on the left sidebar. The Save As panel should show Work Presentations as the default location. If it still shows OneDrive, go back and check that Save to Computer by Default box. If you need to change folders later, go back through File, Options, Save, and click Browse next to the same field. Swap to a new folder and click OK. New saves go there from then on. Old files stay put. Word and Excel each have their own copy of this setting, so if you want them to match, set it in each app's Options menu. If it helped, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.